Guys, look. Say hi. So, yun yung sign.
Love the hat, kid. That's a nice green hat on that kid.
Thanks, man.
You guys have a good day. Nice day today. Oh, yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is what? Day 3. It's day 3 here in Los Angeles. Saan tayo for today's video? I think we have a lot of things to do today. For now, I'm going to drive again in downtown to meet our aunties and titos. What do you wanna say?
Hi, to the camera.
Hi. What day? Day 3. Today's day 3. Hi.
Let's
Okay,
go.
let's go.
Ma.
Okay guys, we're getting late. So, update namin kayo guys. Bye. Hi guys, we're on our way to a Hollywood sign. I just picked up my beautiful titas.
Beautiful tita talaga, tita.
Siya ang aming tour guide for the day, for today's video. Siya kasi ang palaging pupunta sa Hollywood sign.
So, dito sa yung 70 freeway, right?
Okay, sige tita. Alright guys, I'll update you later on.
Sa right.
We are here sa Hollywood sign. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Taran! Saglit, i-zoom ko guys. Yan o. Hollywood sign. Beautiful weather. Guys, madami ring tao, madami ring pumunta ngayong araw. Look, madaming mga sasakyan. Sasakyan din ganun sa taas. There is the Hollywood sign. Let's go. We are getting closer to the Hollywood sign. Hello. Ito yung makita yung driver namin, hawig niya si Piolo. Sa Papa P. Si Papa? Tanik?
Pray the best is here.
Selfie ka guys, look. Say hi. Okay, let's go. Kapag picture na kami guys. See.
Really nice in here. You can see the Hollywood sign. Yes, Daddy.
So guys, dito bumaba kami saglit. And this is the different view from here.
Yeah, yan yung isang
Yan yung Hollywood
isang spot
sign yan.
ulit.
Isang spot. Oh, look at this guys, merong like wedding photos. There's like wedding photos. Yeah, like a prenup. So ngayon guys, bababa kami dun sa may isang spot pa. Yeah,
Yung parang dog park.
yeah, it's like a dog park. Then after that, we are moving to the next destination. Pala to guys, ang tawag is Lake Hollywood Park. Danger rattlesnake, really? Ah, I didn't know that. So ito pa yung isang spot guys ng Hollywood sign. So guys, bibili kami ng
Wala na yung na fruta o na.
Dubai chocolate. Look.
Do you guys take that?
You have cash?
Yeah, I have
Yeah, you have cash. I have cash is in my bag.
order.
Oh, how much for the Dubai chocolate?
15.
That's
15,
it. Okay.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
May nagtanong guys kung magkano eh. Yes to. So bumili kami ng dalawang Dubai chocolate. Ganun siya ginagawa guys. Famous kasi yan dito eh. Dito sa Canada. Ang dami talagang bumibili ng guys. Dubai chocolate. Hold it.
You have 1,
Yun, let's go.
2, 5, 10, 50, 100.
Kasama namin yung pinsan ni May. Si mami niya ang nagtutour sa amin dito. Kasi siya yung maraming may alam dito guys eh. So shout out to Tita Neng and Tito Junior. Daming taong pupunta guys. Naka-parking look. So update namin kayo mamaya guys sa next na pupuntahan namin. Oh yeah, we're here guys. We're here sa Walk of Fame. Walk of Fame, right? Yeah.
The Roosevelt Hotel.
Oh,
So-
the haunted
Yeah, it's a haunted hotel.
Haunted hotel.
A lot of people would go here to like do drugs.
Yeah.
Back in the day, drugs and like prostitution, you know. And they would kill people.
No, we cannot take
So,
Overdose.
yeah.
They would kill
So for now it's open to the public, right?
It's hope you can stay here.
Oh.
Yeah, too.
Hanapin ko lang yung idol ko here. It's Ben Diesel. He's the main character of Fast and the Furious. Ben. Peter De Leon, Valente, Pauline Frederick, Arthur Con. The road is closed because there's I think premiere soft opening for upcoming movie Superman. Thank you.
Take a picture with us naman ni Marla.
Okay. Give me your phone. Akin na yung phone mo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So maghahanap tayo ng mga kilala natin guys. Dito naman tayo sa kabila guys, nag-cross tayo. Ano ulit, Walk of Fame. So magkabilaan siya guys, meron din sa kabilang street. Meron din dito. So where we are, souvenir. What's this?
Elvis.
Oh, Elvis? Souvenir. This is yung mga glass ni LV. So we're here at the souvenir.
Salamat niya sa
Carter is sleeping. So this one. They're sleeping. Dahil palang mabibili rito. Dito to sa tabi ng ano guys. Tabi ng Walk of Fame. Souvenir shop. Sino to? Ha? Si Elsa? Gago!
Yan yung friend ni Alec.
Oh, ito si Elsa. Ba? Mga cutlets. Try natin. Then, oh, black doon naman na isa. Ito maganda rin to. Los Angeles. So tuloy tayo guys. Tapos na tayong pumasok sa souvenir shop. You know this? Kevin Hart. One of the actor in Jumanji. And a comedian as well. Wow. That's Ferrari. You want to drive it and pay for it. David Copperfield. Yung magician din oh. Chris Rock. Yeah. Guys, we're here at the Wax Museum. Kobe Bryant. We got Dwayne The Rock Johnson as well. Narating na artista. Kasi merong kasing paparating na bagong movie Superman. Ito siya guys oh. Daming tao guys. Sinantay nila baka may lumabas na artista eh. So tingnan mo yung mga taong nag-aabang guys. Tingnan nyo. Dami. I think they're waiting for Superman to come out. The actor. Guys. Gusto kayong nag-picture at magpa-shell county sa Walk of Fame. Now we're going... Where are we going next? Beverly Hills. So, balik na kami ngayon sa sasakyan. I guess I'll see you there at the Beverly Hills, guys. Hi guys. We are here at the Beverly Hills. Daming tao. So, yun yung sign ng Beverly Hills. Try na lang natin kumuha ng picture. Sobrang dami.
Let's take a picture.
Take a picture. Alright, thank you. Gusto kayong picture, guys. It's Carter. Look, look. Who's that? Carter. Yay.
It's a really good one like that.
Yeah.
Ah, gitna daw.
And then this one.
Thank you. Ang dami nilagay ito. A lot of them. Sabi ni tita, bago daw tong nilagay nila ditong elephant. Bago daw to. Kasi dati wala daw to eh. Hi tito! Hi tito! So guys, tapos na kaming mag-picture sa the Beverly Hills.
Sobrang daming tao,
Ang daming tao, right?
Daming mga tourists na hanggang nagpipicture sila dun sa slime. At sobra ding init.
I know. Pero it's okay. Nothing to complain. I rather like this than the cold. So, ang next namin guys is, saan tayong next? Santa Monica Pier?
I think so.
Yeah.
It's the last one.
Yeah, Santa Monica Pier. Galing na kami nung first day namin doon. Tapos,
Ay, hindi
pero hindi
tayo
kami nakapunta
nakapunta
sa pier. Ang pinuntahan lang namin is yung Venice. So, pupunta na kami ngayon doon guys.
A few moments later.
So, hi guys. Ito na kami sa Santa Monica Pier. So, yun siya guys. Punta kami dun sa harap ng Santa Monica Pier entrance para makita natin ng malapitan guys.
Love the hat, kid. That's a nice green hat on that kid.
Thanks man.
You guys have a good day. Nice day today. Oh yeah.
Yeah, no. The shadow
What's the thing that they do?
the guy that has a sword.
Yeah.
You know when Mr. Beast tried to shot him with the
yeah,
the gun,
yeah.
then he's trying to hit with the bullet.
Yeah,
That's him.
This is just not possible.
You only have a few shots left.
Fire when you're ready.
Somebody's gonna do this, bro.
You're kind of dropping a lot.
I got you.
Okay. Anyways, subscribe.
Yung take nila yun. See, look. There you go.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Easy, yes, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Of course, yeah.
3. All right.
Nice.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. You guys have a good one.
Thank you too.
It's our first time here. Anyway, we're from Canada.
Oh, let's go. Nice. Well, have fun out here.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Be safe.
Oh yay! Look,
Huh?
look, guys. I think this is where you see the end of the 66 route, the highway. Happy? Clap your hands, clap your hands.
Ano, Santa Monica eh.
So, ito yung isang famous na picturean dito sa Santa Monica Pier guys. 66 road. And correct me if I'm wrong, this road stretches all the way from Texas. And this is the end of it. So guys, dami ring tao sa may ano, sa beach. Let's go! Tara na. Tapos na kami mga mag-picture picture, guys. Amazing boys.
Thank you.
So we're going back to the car now, guys. Kuha lang kami ng magagandang shot. Tapos konting lakad-lakad din. So and then that's it for the day. See you guys.